Well, I've just completed my testing on these HV25s, and I must say that I'm a little disappointed. I had a couple of them, so I tried them, and I wouldn't recommend using them because they are far too sensitive. As you can see, this one's moving, and then to center it, as you can see, I have to be very careful. I just breathe on it and it goes either way. Way too sensitive. This causes the idle current to be much higher than it should be and runs your battery down needlessly when the robot's not moving. And it's just somebody kind of missed the boat there. Didn't have the kind of experience that they needed to do that sort of design. If you look over here, you can see the other wheel going. I think you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There it is. But, and both of them, of course, will go forward and reverse. This is my little tester that I've got online for you guys. It makes a good platform to test out your mechanics. And I also have the minimum configuration, by the way, to get off the ground with. Let's see here. There we go. I'll let you see that as well. Yeah, as you can see, it's just one little platform. And as you can see also, I got the battery charger on my batteries. You can see how mine's kind of put together there. And then I'll zoom in on this thing so you can get a better idea of how it's connected. I'll try to keep this as short as possible. And all the shaking is me. It's all part of my disease. I have to put up with it, and I'm afraid so do you. And when I make these little movies, and even though I've got a tripod, I jiggle everything too much. I just shake too much. Alright, anyway, you can get an idea of how I hooked mine up. I completely eliminated their little go this many degrees on the wheel. That is absolutely senseless. But I don't even use that. I just took the two motors and all you have to do is drive the motors, and this thing has a built-in H-bridge on both of them. But again, the idle current's really high, and they do get warm very fast when you put a load on them, and they're just not really practical, at least in the annals that I've used them, H-bridges and all this sort of thing. This is, by the way, not a servo. It is a pulse width modulation motor controller, just like those what they call continuous servos, which is bullshit. I ought to know. I'm the one that designed the digital servos in the first place. There's no feedback mechanism in a quote-unquote continuous servo, and that's why it is not a servo. It is just a motor controller. Okay, I'm going to sign off.